The following video is a guide on how to use the 100 Vertical Baler. Firstly, at the front of the baler, place 4 number strapping rolls on the bar above the compaction chamber. Next, tread each strap down into the baler chamber. Press the down button on the control panel to make sure the compaction head is in the down position. Open both top and bottom doors. Pull each strap over the top of the chamber and around the pin located at the back of the baler. The straps are then placed into each of the U-shaped channels at the base of the chamber. Loop and knot each strap and fasten into the strap holding points below the chamber. Close both doors and press the up button to take the compaction plate to the home position. Next, open the top door and load material into the compaction chamber. Close the top door and press the start button to run a compaction cycle. Repeat the process of loading and compacting material into the chamber. When the bale full light illuminates, it is time to tie and complete the bale. Open the top door and using the tie feed bar, pull the straps from the back of the baler down past the bottom door. Make sure you have enough strapping to tie the bale and cut the strapping. Close the top door and press the down button. Open both the top and bottom doors. Next, tension and knot the top and bottom ends on each of the straps. Place a pallet in front of the baler. Hold the 2 ejector buttons together at the side of the control panel to eject the bale onto the pallet. Make sure the compaction plate is fully up in the home position.